Machiegni kendo riwruok marango weche thieth mag nyodo e pacho ka Reproductive Health Network ochako chenro mar puonjo oganda ewi weche mag komo nyuol gi weche mag nyodo. Riwruogni bende okwayo migawo mar thieth oket omenda ma inyalo tigo e kedo gi weche tuoche mag nyodo. Kawuoye nyasino, Director mar thieth Patrick Amoth opako puonj mar komo nyuol kowacho ni en wach ma jopiny onego ng'e nikech e ndalogi mathoth mine pacho ka neno wich kuot bang' komo nyuol. Nomedo wacho ni odwaro sirikal mamalo mondo oriwre gi jothieth e counties te mondo chiw omenda e counties te mondo giyud thieth mar tuoche mag nyodo.
Making this possible. Thank you to all the partners. In a very simple manner for all than that. We want to thank the...
Today we are launching the Chaguo Mkononi campaign, which is essentially a 3-year campaign, and we will be seeking to ensure that women and girls and also men are able to make a decision, are able to make choice when it comes to family planning. This means that we are going to use the different channels, the reproductive health coordinators from different counties, to ensure that they use the sub-counties and the community health promoters to trickle this information down. That's
the whole aspect, the whole idea behind Chaguo Mkononi is to ensure that women and men have equal opportunity. And I'm hoping that men will support women to be able to make reproductive health choices.
As we are not seeing this just as a cost element in service delivery, but a very, very important investment to spur economic activity. As a ministry, we have prioritized commodity security. You heard the healthcare provider from Bungoma talk of the challenges. Yes, the challenges will still prevail because of the tough economic climate under which we operate currently. And that is why partnership is important, so that where we have gaps, then partners can come and bridge that gap to ensure that services continue seamlessly.